and I was fortunate enough to find, the best consultancy right from the go. This is my first time to even go into a consultancy and do such things. And I was fortunate enough to find the best one. And yes, I met Neha there. Neha's like the best. She was so cool. She was there with me right from the go, and till date she's there with me. So she just explained me the procedure. She evaluated my profile, and she said just like that, go for it. Though my points were quite low, she was still confident that I would get my, PR. I would get my invitation to apply. She said just like that, file for it. Though your points are low, it's okay, but as you progress through, you would definitely get it. We waited for a year. Our idea wasn't quite early because of our points, but we waited for a year. As and when we got the WorkX, we immediately got, as soon as we reached the WorkX, we immediately got the ITA. We got both in provincial nominee as well as the express entry. So we were very happy for that. So the best part of Expressway is that they're very clear right from the go. They're very clear in what they wanted from you and what they are going to do and how the process goes, what are the timelines. They're very clear in that. They don't hide anything, and even when it comes to payment, they give you enough time. They give you timelines to achieve it. They don't really bug you for anything, and even neither would they let the customer do that, because they're very clear, they're very transparent, that you wouldn't get a lot of questions. And you call them anytime, you ping them anytime, you mail them, they're there to answer you. They're very clear, they give you timelines to achieve it. They don't really bug you for anything, and even neither would they let the customer do that, because they're very clear, they're very transparent, that you wouldn't get a lot of questions. And you call them anytime, you ping them anytime, you mail them, they're there to answer you. They're very clear, even the links and the information they provided for all the contacts and how to process further, everything is very clear. They're very transparent. And I would just like to mention one incident where I got my PNP early and then I got my express entries. So though in this case where, a lot of firms would have suggested you to go with the PNP because they, you got something rather than nothing. Here, Srinivasan sir literally asked me to just hold it. Though he advised, at the end of the day, it's obviously the client requirements that they meet, but he literally asked me to wait for it. Just hold it. We'll wait for express entry. Your profile would definitely get selected. And yes, his advice worked. It worked miraculously, because I was about to file for OINP and then I got the express entry call. So it was, it was great in such way where an example where they don't force you into anything. They would advise you the best way to deal with your application. So very rare to find few consultancy like this. So just if you're looking for migrating to other places and you want to go with a PR, just go to them, explain them your situation, and they are there to help you. Okay.